Source code, or how to assess the source code in the lectures. Hi everyone, welcome to this lecture where I will show you how you can use the source code that I'm uploading in my lectures. So if we check an example of this, let's say from my games development course in Java, you see that I always upload the source code in the last lecture as a resource. And here is the resource of the last lecture. So it is a zip file. And I want to show you how you can actually import this source code into the IDE so you don't have any problems when trying to open the source code. So here I select the resources and I download the Brick Breaker game. You simply click on it and now the file is downloaded, and as you can see, this is a zip file. And if I go here to the folder, to my downloads folder, you just simply need to open it and just press Ctrl C to copy it and paste it back to the downloads folder. There are also other ways to do this. From the IDE you can directly open zip file, but I noticed that sometimes doesn't work, so I just want to show you something that will work 100% for you. So once you open the file and is out of the archive, then go to the IDE, to the Eclipse IDE, and press File, then press Import, and select existing project into the workspace. Press Next, and here press Browse, and now go to the Brick Breaker project and select Folder. Then simply press Finish, and now you have your project imported into the IDE. Here you go. So if I run the project, you should be able to see the game that was developed. And here we go. So everything is working. And this is the source code that I downloaded from the lecture. So it's the same with my other courses as well. I always upload the source code in the last lecture of the practical exercise. I also want to make the point that I advise you not to use the source code at first place, and always try to first try your skills and your knowledge and follow my videos and create the code rather than just copying and pasting the ready project. In that way, you will be able to learn more. So if you ever stuck or you have some troubles running the code, also download first the source code, check the differences, and if after that there is something that you don't understand, please ask me questions in the Q&A section of the corresponding course. And that was everything I wanted to share with you. I wish you a great day, and this is how you can import the source codes into the IDE.